In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trash in Zoho WorkDrive. Navigating through files and folders can sometimes be a daunting task, especially when you're trying to locate files that aren't where you expect them to be. Whether you accidentally deleted a file or are simply trying to clear out old documents, understanding how to access the trash in Zoho WorkDrive is essential. Let's get started by diving into the platform and examining some of its key features. Firstly, when you open Zoho WorkDrive, you'll typically land on the My Folders section. This is where you can manage your personal folders and have a clear view of everything you're working on. The names of your folders will be listed here, allowing you to navigate and organize your documents efficiently. When you're in this area, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make the next steps much easier to follow. Now, to access the trash, you'll want to look towards the left navigation panel. This is where you'll find various options that link to different parts of the WorkDrive interface. Scan through the options until you find the section labeled Trash. Clicking on this option will open a new view dedicated to all the items you've deleted. Once you're in the trash section, you'll be able to see all the files and folders that you or your team members have moved to the trash. It's a comprehensive list showcasing everything that's been deleted from your WorkDrive. Here's where it gets interesting. Items will remain in this trash area temporarily, often up to a certain number of days predetermined by your admin settings, giving you the opportunity to recover anything that might have been discarded unintentionally. While browsing the trash, take note of the detailed information displayed alongside each item, such as the date of deletion and the original folder location. This context can be extremely useful, especially if you're searching for a file that needs to be restored sooner rather than later. If you find a specific file you want to recover, simply select it, and you'll notice a recover option appear. Clicking that will restore the file back to its original location, ensuring you regain quick access to your work. Additionally, if you're looking to permanently clear out old files, you can empty the trash by selecting the Empty Trash option, usually found at the top or bottom of the page. However, do this with caution because once items are permanently deleted from this area, they cannot be retrieved. In conclusion, understanding the basics of accessing and managing trash in Zoho WorkDrive can greatly enhance your workflow, helping you maintain an organized and efficient digital workspace. Make sure to spend some time exploring the interface, and you'll find it becomes second nature to navigate through the trash and manage your files effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!